ladies, welcome back. So I'm just gonna jump right into this video. I'm kind of undecided on whether or not I want to do like a wavy bob or like a very like sleek and straight one. So this is just gonna be an update on my Sunber hair. If you guys missed that video, I actually did like a full like start to finish how to make a quick weave wig, and then I also did a second part video which was just me cutting it into a bob, very kind of blunt cut, 1 2 3, like, and you're done. So anyway, this is just an update to that video. I'm going to show you kind of how I'm going to style it. I have not ever worn this wig like completely straight, so this will also be kind of like a test to see if I actually cut it good or not, because I never actually straightened it out. So we'll see. I'm kind of undecided. It's like, do I want to do straight? Do I want to do wavy? I guess we'll find out. And sorry guys, I got these little stupid bangles on, like, yeah. But anyway, let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, so here is the wig. This is what it's looking like. As you can see, I mean, just looking at the wig, it looks like it's cut like perfect. Like, y'all see that? This looks like, yeah. Anyway, so of course it was a quick weave wig, and all that I did was literally make this on a dome cap. And as you can see, like, I used the saran wrap just to kind of protect my own hair and literally pulled this off. So this is exactly what the wig looks like on the inside. Nothing too crazy, to be honest. No different than if I would have sewn it. I did wash the hair, however. And so in case you guys are wondering, you can wash your quick weaves and you can wash your quick weave wigs as well. You just want to make sure you do that in like cold water. That's it. As cold as you can stand it, you'll be fine. The goal is just to not have the glue slip or anything like that. So if you don't mind, like, you'll be fine. And then yeah, this is what the part looks like. So I did bleach the knots. It looks really good. I mean, in my opinion, as you can see, I don't have any combs or clips. I'm not gonna put any on it because it's literally like a dome at this point. So yeah, I'm just, I guess, put this crap on. Y'all, my braids are looking like, oh, rough, like sad. I'm pretty much at the point where I only do about 4 big braids in my head, and I do these while I'm like in the shower, so it's literally like conditioner still in it. It's, yeah, just kind of interesting. So I'm not even gonna put them up. Actually, I should, so I'll just do like a crisscross type of thing. Alright, as good as it's gonna get, and then I'll just slide on the wig. I really feel like I look like the guy off Shrek. Like, I feel like I should have cut this a little bit lower, or either it's too flat up here. I'm not exactly sure, but it's definitely throwing me off. This is a Baby Bliss flat iron. So this is yeah, I mean, it gets really hot. Typically I only use this to straighten hair and not to curl because of how hot the plates get. So I just turned it down a little bit just to kind of see how I feel about it. Like levels to it, so yep. And it comes out wet, of course, but it literally dries in seconds, so you can literally go right in after using it. Alright babes, so just kind of finish this off, as you guys know, my favorite product, which is Cream of Nature, pretty much their entire line of products, but I'm going to use their foaming mousse. As you guys know, this just provides a little bit of shine and sheen to the hair without like weighing it down, and then of course having it revert back to being like a body wave. So I'm just going to literally do like a half of pump, a squirt or whatever. This is what that looks like, and yeah, I'm literally just going to go over the tops of the hair, not literally to penetrate too much, but just along this area where I usually have like flyaways and closures. Sunber Hair did a really good job of making sure that we did not have a lot of flyaways in this, so that means you're getting a full closure, not little fillers. So as you guys can see, just provides a little bit more shine. I'm not going to take that, I usually use like a shine spray from Cream of Nature. I'm not going to use that today. I'm literally just going to let the hair kind of shine and do its own thing. The luster looks really good. As you guys can see, I went from like a Farquad to a how you doing? No, I'm still Farquad. But anyway, you guys can see that this bob is like extremely full. If I'm not mistaken, I just used the closure and I think about 2.5 bundles, but I'll double check the very first video so I make sure I give you the right information. But yeah, like I said, I did one big chop. I literally put the hair in a ponytail, cut it, went out the door. Here we go. Now on this side, I think I went a little bit too short right here. So you can kind of see where it's like this situation happening, but because the bob is still even length, I'm not going to go crazy about the fact that this very tip doesn't match with the other tip. It's fine, like no big deal. You guys, I don't know if anybody would have noticed, but of course if you're stylist, more than likely you would have called me out, so whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This is kind of like a quick hit just to kind of get this out of the way, and yeah, I like it. As you guys know, bobs are my like go-to style, and because this is a quick weave, I feel like I'll have it forever. So yeah, definitely love this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.